Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view your followers on the Threads app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to view your followers on Threads, first head over to the Threads app. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then from your profile, tap on the globe icon in the top left hand corner. And next tap on profiles you follow. On the left, tap on followers. And here you'll see a list of everyone who follows you on Threads, which I currently don't have any followers. You can also search through the list of your followers by tapping on the search bar and typing in their name. And that's what it takes to view your followers on Threads. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.